I am in San Juan La Laguna, Lake Catalan, Guatemala. Last night I stumbled across this little cute boutique hotel, I think would be the best way I could describe it. So I'll try and hold this steady and walk through. Very nice, clean, new, very nice. Locally owned, by the way. It's just absolutely a quiet piece of paradise. They have also for Spanish classes. Another area for Spanish classes. Another view courtyard outside. Kind of come back real slow so I don't mess this up as I always do. The entrance is, again, in just this little piece of paradise. You should walk in. You have bananas everywhere, local plants. This is owned by a lovely local couple named Dina and Nicolás. They provide also some workshops and classes here. And I just wanted to share this with everybody. I think this is a place few will find. My God, it's gorgeous. And also, you hear that? Quiet.